This is a very extremely sad reality. We need to stop being emotional. We need to stop being ignorant. We need to, get our heads out the clouds, and we need to man up. We need to woman up and face reality. It is very extremely important that we are knowledgeable about what's going on around this world, because we are helping and destroying our own people. If there was a war between the United States and African nations, or a war between European nations and black nations in Haiti, if there was a war between the US and Haiti, which side would you side with? Unfortunately, a lot of us would side with the European side. A lot of us would side with the white side. A lot of us would side with those because our passport says whatever. But you must understand that the blood that runs through your vein is African blood. The blood that runs through your vein is Haitian blood. Okay. And these countries are destroying black nations. And this is a reality. You could choose and act like you don't want to, that you don't understand, or choose to ignore it. You can act like you don't understand what white supremacy is. You could act like you don't understand what imperialism is. But it's time for you to get out of this daydreaming. Okay, it's morning time. Time for dreaming is over. There's not a physical war between European nations and black nations in Haiti, but there is a war. These countries control, these European nations, France, Canada, the United States, and others control black nations. They control Africa. They control Haiti through politics. They fund those countries. They pay the rebels. They provide the guns. So all the dysfunction that you see going on, they are at the top, and they the ones who provide the dysfunction, because dysfunction helps for them. They're destroying our food supply. They feeding those countries. They sending their horrible GMO foods over there, where our foods are natural and organic, and they sending them, and it's destroying our people's health. And there's just too much going on. People can't go out because you have these gangs that is just putting everything to a stall, bringing everything to a stall. And if we, being black or Haitian, we just sit back and watch. We are cowards. We are weak. And what's worse than a person who would sit back and watch would kiss another ass and watch them destroy those who look like them?